Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I am the VFR pilot and as you can see we are at my home office. The obvious reason for that is, as you can see behind, I will zoom in a little bit, it's the coronavirus. The image, as you can see here on the screens, is an image from the coronavirus, and it is that type of virus that is grounding all pilots and all aircrafts from various airliners all over the world. So it's a very nasty virus, as you can say. But I don't have to tell you that, because I think everybody who is watching my videos has been hit by the corona. So yeah, that means that I am grounded also. The government here in Belgium issued a notam saying that no VFR flights are allowed, only flights from SAR or Medivacs, police. Those are the flights possible to do, but no VFR. So we are grounded. The aircraft is in the hangar, nice and dry, waiting to be flown again. So let's hope that the coronavirus will leave as fast as it has come and that we can fly again. But yeah, the problem now is that I don't have any footage anymore to show you. Everything has been edited and posted and been placed online. So yeah. Therefore, I'm sitting here telling you stories in front of the camera. As you know, from the end of January through February, we were hit by a lot of storms. So no flying hours over there. March is the coronavirus, so no flying hours over during the period in March. So yeah, it's a bit pity. Let's say it like that. The last video I could shoot outdoor, and I will link it somewhere here above, was the initiation of a drone flight with Dimi. It was a very fun flight, but yeah, unfortunately the government has been giving some strict rules that we need to stay inside unless it is really necessary to go for groceries or the doctor or the pharmacy. But yeah, if we don't need to leave the house, we need to stay indoors. That is what we are doing, and I can only saying and asking you to do all the same, because it's very important that we don't make any contact with other people, and we keep our social distancing, that we can stop spreading the nasty virus. So yeah, the problem is I don't have any other footage to show you. I tried some flight simulator, but the quality is not so good, so we will try something else during the upcoming weeks. We are expected to have at least the same rules in state until the mid-April and beginning of May. And then we can only hope and cross our fingers that a lot of the strict rules will be revoked, and that we can start flying again, or at least go outside and do something outside, because staying within the walls of your home or within the garden you have, it's not that funny. But okay, it is what it is. We need to cope with it, and we make the best of it. So for all of you, my viewers, I would say be smart, stay at home, take your social distancing, help us to stop spreading the coronavirus, and help us getting pretty fast to a normal life again. So that's it for now. I know it's not a lot, but I try to keep up the 2 videos per month. So okay. I hope you liked that video. If you do so, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, subscribe, it means a lot. I think we have now 90 subscribers. It's not a lot, but for me it means a lot. Let's help me get 100 subscribers in 2020, and I will announce it maybe in another video, but I will give one free flight of 1 hour to 100 subscriber to the channel. So if you are the 100 subscriber to the channel and you live, of course, in Belgium, you will be the one who gets a 1 hour flight together with me, and we will vlog it, of course. So for now, hit the like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.